Hello everyone, welcome back to Yum Yum Africa. In today's video, I will be talking about the top 10 must-try Nigerian street foods. Whether you have Nigerian neighbors or you're visiting Nigeria, these are the top 10 Nigerian street foods you must try. Number 1 and my favorite is suya. Suya is a delicious delicacy that originates from northern Nigeria. Suya is spiced, nutty, smoky, charred beef grilled over a fire pit or a variety of locally made grills. It's commonly served with cucumbers, onions, cabbage, tomatoes, sprinkled with the popular yaji, also known as suya spice. Now, suya comes in a number of varieties. You can have the beef, and you can also have it come in chicken. Now, the suya chicken or the suya beef, one thing common to both of them is the suya spice, which is spicy without which there is no suya. Now, the suya spice is a spice blend full of flavor and heat. It has peanut as its primary ingredients with other spices such as garlic powder, ginger powder, cloves, and much more. Now, number 2 is masa. Masa is rice cakes or waina. It's a popular traditional northern Nigerian delicacy common among the Hausa people. It is made from fermented rice and is often served with sugar, the suya spice, or a special type of vegetable soup in the northern Nigeria. It's not uncommon to also find masa served with suya as well. Now, number 3 is kuli kuli. Indigenous to western and north central Nigeria, kuli kuli is crispy and made from peanut and peanut oil. Is delicious and crunchy, served alone or with other foods such as gari or fura. Number 4 is AKARA. Common among the Yorubas of Nigeria and other West African countries such as Togo and Benin. It is made from peeled, ground, and spiced black-eyed beans, deep fried. Number 5 is puff puff. Deep fried dough, mouth-watering comfort food made from flour, sugar, cinnamon, yeast, and salt. For a recipe for the best puff puff ever, check below. Number 6 is roasted corn. Roasted corn on a cob, a favorite during the rainy season. It's often served alone or with the African pear called ube. You can also have with coconut or boiled flakes. Number 7 is boiled corn, also common in the rainy season because it's mostly harvested then. Number 8 is MOIMOI. MOIMOI is common amongst the Yoruba people of Nigeria. It is made from ground black-eyed bean mixed with seasonings, garnished with boiled fish and boiled eggs sometimes. Is steamed in a special type of leaf called ewe moimoi or uma leaves, or simply called moimoi leaves. You can have this. You can eat the moimoi alone or serve it with other foods. Number 9 is fried plantain. The fried plantain is deep fried ripe plantain, and you fry it until it's golden brown. You can serve it alone or you can serve it with other foods such as rice, beans, and more. You can also serve it with a very spicy fried stew as well. The fried plantain you can actually serve it with a variety of foods. It's really delicious. Number 10 is plantain chips. This is made from unripe plantain, which is deep fried and sprinkled with salt. It is crunchy and delicious. It comes in different shapes, of course, and the shape that you cut the plantain is deep fried. And this is a favorite of a lot of kids actually. I think because it's very crunchy. And now guys, that's it for this video. I hope you get to try some of these delicious foods. Leave a comment below when you try one. If you've enjoyed this video, comment, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification button so you know when next time I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.